Hello and welcome to Poster Making 101. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to create posters using a specific website called canva.com. It is really great in providing you with a bunch of templates to use and making a poster, a brochure, a social media post, anything you need to promote your event that you're putting on. So open up any browser that you would like to use, and we're going to go ahead and type in Canva. Scroll down and we're going to click on the second one right here. Now I already have an account with Canva. It's great to create an account because it automatically saves everything you need and saves all your posters automatically. That way if you forget to save it and you exit out, it's already there and you don't have to go back and recreate everything you just did. Canva is a free site to use. There are certain templates and pictures that you would have to pay for. Canva is really great about telling you what costs money and what doesn't. Most things on the website are free though. So just pay attention when you're creating your poster to make sure you're not accidentally grabbing things that cost money. At the end, you owe $10 on a poster and you have to start back over. So we're going to go ahead and create a design here. When you click create a design, it gives you all of the different options you can use. So you can create a poster, a business card, invitations. You can create your resume on here. Facebook posts, Facebook covers. All the social media items are really great because it's already formatted to what Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram need, and it doesn't alter your post in any way. It just makes sure it's all the right sizing and dimensions to make sure it looks okay and isn't altered in a funky way when you go to post it on whatever social media platform you're using. So today we are going to create a poster. Scroll back over, click on poster, and it'll start you with a blank poster here. Now, you are more than welcome to create a blank poster from scratch. The way I like to do it is find a already made template that I want to use and just change it to what I need it to be and the information that I want. Maybe change the colors here and there, but anything like that. So today we're going to scroll down, look through some templates. We're going to find a template that I want to use for my poster that I'm creating. And I'm going to create a poster for, let's see. I'm going to create a poster for a party that I'm going to have. And it's going to be on Valentine's Day. So this already has hearts. But I think I want it to be a music theme. So we're going to go with this one. Since it has a record, and we're going to add some different things into it. Now, what I like to do is, if I want to keep the background red, I do. But I can also change it to green or blue or anything that I want in order to match my event. So there are a few important things that you want to have on your poster. You want to include the title. Important thing number one. So the title of my event is going to be let's say Dance Your Blues Away. And maybe it's a dance for people that don't have fun things to do on Valentine's Day or dates or anything. You just want to hang out with your friends. That's what this is for. So, Dance Your Blues Away. That's my dance title, my party title. That's what we're going with. Next, we'll take this box, delete everything in it. Come on. Okay, we're just going to delete the whole box, maybe. And then we're just going to insert our own text box. And we need the time of the event, the address, the location of where it's going to be, and any other instructions that are important and pertinent to the signups and to the attendance of the event. So if you have to do a sign-up list or something that they've purchased tickets for, you'll want to include that on the poster. So only the important information will go on your poster. So it's going to be on February 14th, of course, Valentine's Day, and it's going to be from 6 p.m. to midnight. And it's going to be held at it's going to be held here at City Hall because I got permission to use the venue. Lakewood City Hall. And you want to make sure it's big enough for people to read. And if there's any other information I needed to put, like if where parking is going to be, if you need to buy a ticket, or if there's going to be free food. So we'll say snacks provided. Free food. And then I want to make this extra big. Now, when you're looking through your poster, you want to make sure you proofread it. So, Dance Your Blues Away, I have the date, time, the location, free food. But look, I have an extra F. So I want to make sure that I proofread to make sure there's no mistakes on my poster, especially the time, the date, and the location. Now, once you're done with your poster, you're going to download. And if you're going to print, I would recommend downloading it as a PDF print. If you're going to save and post it somewhere, I would either do a JPEG or a PNG. That tends to give the best quality, is what I found. If you're looking to insert your own pictures, such as the City of Lakewood logo, say this event is sponsored by them, we're going to upload this picture, stick it on there, and we're going to call it a day. So I'm going to download and open that up, and this is what we got. Poster created. Now, this is a really great website to use for creating invitations, posters of any sort, anything like that. The templates are a good place to start, and it's a really easy tool to use. I would recommend using it for any events you guys put on throughout the year. Even in your personal life, you can use it to create your resume or anything like that. It's super user-friendly. I've used it for class projects. It's just a good tool to have in your back pocket. So I hope you can take away some awesome things from this video. And I hope I answered all your questions when using Canva and when creating a general poster. So thanks for watching.